Another wonderful morning on the farm. A cow surprised by the sight of a crop field. The crop is missing. Animals gathered near the empty field. Everyone gasped in surprise.
Who might have stolen the crops?
Come on, guys. Let's follow the footprints.
The pigs find a trail of half-eaten cornflakes that leads to the forest. Everyone searches the forest for more clues. The cow found some animals eating something.
Come here, boys.
Everyone is hiding behind the rock and looking away from the thieves. Oh no, those are rabbits and they're eating carrots, not crops. Suddenly, the sheep spotted more footprints leading to the cave. The animals snaked towards the cave, and eventually they reached it and looked inside.
I'll go and distract them, guys.
The animal successfully retrieves their crops and escapes the cave. And every animal on the farm works hard to grow a new crop. Time passes. The field grows again, filled with green crops. The animals celebrate and bring the crops to the field. The morning was filled with joy and happiness in the farm. We've got here. This farm has some rules to follow.
I'm bored here. I want to go.
I don't feel alive here.
After a few minutes,
Hey guys, come on! It's time to escape!
I'm getting out of this hell.
hey buffalo, stop! We are coming too. Oh no! The animals are running away from the farm.
Now I am happy.
I feel like I'm in heaven.
No one can find me now.
This is my safe house from now on.
Oh my God! Where have the animals gone? I need to find them as soon as possible. I found your cow.
I don't want to go there.
Bison, I found you. Come on, sheep. It's time to go.
Welcome to another beautiful day at Animal Farm.
Good morning, everyone.
I am very happy today.
I'm gonna rock today. Hi, guys.
Come on, guys. It's breakfast time. Come on.
Everyone is happy during the day, but when night comes, everything turns dark and scary. And there is no electricity and no light on Animal Farm.
Guys, I'm scared.
Oh my god! What is that sound?
I don't know what's happening.
What should I do now? There is no electricity here.
We need to fix this. Maybe we can do something new?
We need a windmill.
Yes, the wind can turn large blades. Yes, that will give us power and lights.
Next morning, the team begins work on building a new windmill. Everyone cheered and laughed. The nights were no longer scary. Now the farm shone with a joyful light.
Come on, guys, let's play the game.
All the animals are ready to build their own homes.
Oh yeah, let's start the work.
Yes!
All animals are hardly built for the home.
Yes!
Few moments later. Wow! Yahoo! All animals are perfectly built by homes. Donald checks the home. And whose house will be strong?
Yes!
Oh no!
Donald, my house is very strong.
This one also strong. Wow, this house looks amazing. You are the winner.
Once upon a time, old stone sculpture of cow, horse, buffalo. All the animals are happily eating in the farm. Sculptures stretch arms and legs. Oh no, they are alive.
Oh my god!
Oh no, escape.
Oh no!
Go away.
Oh no!
Take this.
Help! Help!
Yes!
sheep hides behind barn door.
Yes!
Hen lays eggs so fast in panic they roll like marbles.
Oh no!
Whoa, Donald is here.
What was that?
Take this.
Sculptures turning back to stone.
Thanks a lot, Donald.
Nighttime. Animals huddle in a barn like a secret meeting.
Guys, I have a plan. Look at this.
What is this map?
This map will be used to build playground.
The next day, all the animals are prepared for the playground.
Huh? What's going on here? Oh no!
Yes!
Playground was ready.
Yes! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh no!
Finally, all animals are happily playing in the ground. Welcome to the ultimate farm diorama. All animals are happily living in the farm. Whoa, it's a giant cow and buffalo.
Hi guys, how are you?
Huh? Oh no!
Don't worry guys, to be friendly.
Right.
Oh no!
Oh my god, it's a T-Rex.
Huh?
Escape!
Oh my god! Oh no, let's escape.
Right. Yes! Right.
Sorry guys.
Right. Yahoo! Right. Right.
Welcome to Animal Farm. All the animals are enjoying in their farm.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh my god, crocodiles are here. Oh my god, crocodiles are going to attack the farm.
Oh my god! Huh? Oh no!
What happened, guys? I got an idea. Come on, guys. Let's build a treehouse.
Yes!
A few moments later.
Yes!
We did it, guys.
Animals are lived happily in Devon,